Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video, we'll be answering another SSAT math question. So let's begin. The question says, if the length and width of a rectangle are each doubled, by what percent is the area increased? A, 50%, B, 75%, C, 100%, D, 300%, or E, 400%. So to answer this question, I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to draw a rectangle and I'm going to label one of the sides 1 and one of the sides 2. Now to find the area of this rectangle, all we do is times the base by the height, 1 times 2, to get 2. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle where I double each of these. So I get a length of 4 and a base of 2. To find the area for this, I again do 2 times 4, which gives me 8. So we can compare these two, and we'll see that 8 is 4 times bigger than 2, or 400% bigger. Now this would work for any rectangle we choose because of area scale factors. As the linear scale factor is 2, or double, what we do with that is we square it to find the area scale factor, which gives us 4. And we can convert 4 to 400%. So the answer is E, 400%. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.